Your driveway, patio and outdoor paved areas are a huge part of your property's appeal, but nothing spoils that look faster than stubborn, unsightly stains that just won't seem to wash away. We're not talking about general dirt and grime, but those specific tough marks like rust, oil, and the chalky white buildup called efflorescence. Each of these is a unique problem that requires a unique targeted solution. At the Stain Eaters, we're experts in the science of removing these difficult stains safely and effectively. Let's start with those jarring orange or brown rust stains. They often appear from metal outdoor furniture, garden tools, or even some fertilizers. A rust stain isn't just a surface blemish, it's a chemical deposit of iron oxide that bonds with and penetrates into porous concrete and tiles. That's why simple scrubbing doesn't work. Our technicians use specialist cleaning solutions, often specific acidic formulations that are designed to chemically dissolve the iron oxide itself, allowing it to be safely lifted and rinsed away. Then there are those dark, greasy oil stains on driveways and garage floors. The highly porous nature of concrete allows oil from vehicle leaks or barbecue spills to soak in deep, creating a persistent stain that attracts more dirt and can even be a safety hazard. Our professional process for this is a powerful two-step approach. First, we apply a professional-grade degreasing solution that penetrates the pores to break down and loosen the trapped oil. Following that, we use our custom-built hot water pressure washing equipment to flush out the emulsified oil from deep within the surface, leaving it dramatically cleaner. And what about that chalky white buildup you sometimes see on bricks or pavers? That's called efflorescence. It's not dirt or mold, it's actually natural mineral salts coming from inside the material itself as moisture evaporates. That's why it can be so persistent. To treat this, we use specific cleaning agents formulated to dissolve these mineral salts, which are then thoroughly rinsed away, revealing the true color of your masonry. As you can see, there's no single product that can solve all these different problems. The foundation of our professional service is a careful, methodical assessment. Our trained technicians identify the specific type of stain and the surface material it's on. This diagnosis allows us to select the precise specialist cleaning solution and the right technique to get the job done effectively without damaging your valuable surfaces. So if you're dealing with these tough stains, don't just put up with them or risk making them worse with the wrong approach. Contact the experts at the Stain Eaters. We have the right solution to tackle stubborn rust, oil, and efflorescence, and bring your outdoor surfaces back to life.